are very, that looking very energetic. And here is the Kinjal with cameraman Kinjal. Come here now, please. So this group is going on. Excuse me, guys. Which topic is going on? Which topic is going on? You come here, please.
The growing depression
In teenagers.
Teenagers.
What do you think about this? The growing depression in teenagers. Please hold the mic. Yes, come on. Yeah, you carry on. Speak up, please.
Sir, firstly, I'm also a teenager, but my parents never compares me with others. That is he is more than intelligent with you.
They understand it means your feelings, right?
Yes, sir.
And they always support you.
Always.
You are very lucky. You are lucky.
Yes.
What do you think about this topic?
So according to me, domination is not good because if we have domination, so we get many stuck while thinking, and we get also in a wrong direction. And if we go in a wrong direction, so we cannot think easily, and we cannot think confidently, and we cannot work also. So in this way, our future will be
Do
wrong.
your parents compare you to any other kid?
Never. Never.
Yeah, you are very lucky. Leslie, what do you think about this?
I think about this. If a student in a depression, they cannot learn very well, and then they don't achieve good marks, and they get not success in their family.
Come first now. Here are many more groups are there. And now this is the group of Miss Ayushi. Ayushi, which topic is running, please?
First one topic, there's the what is the reason behind the depression of the teenagers?
Depression. So what do you think about this?
Sir, actually, I wanted to tell you that there is the many of the reasons that we can say that this is the reason that the teenagers should take a step. Likewise, we can say that there is the protest is going on the daily. This only because of the proving the teenagers their ability. And even if I tell you, so there is the many of the persons which come from the many of the states for the protest in the India. And
So Miss Ayushi, do your parents compare you to any other kid who is getting good marks and anything else?
sir, actually they saying sometimes, but they don't pressures me that because they know that I study well and I performing also good.
Parents cooperate you very well, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. What do you think about this comedy?
So
Growing depression in teenagers.
The causes of depression, because the result and many other things, the student are very depressed, and
And what are the result of depression? What are the result of depression?
There are so many results of depression, because of depression many students get depression and committed suicide, and they are the future of their family, they are future of a country. But even then, when a paper is leaked, nowadays protest is going on because of paper leaked, and teenagers are very important for our future. But